How would you like to see some of the gear in one of my rifle bags? I am former CIA officer Jason Hanson. I love gear, I love guns. I've got a lot of different kits and bags every which way, various and sundry places. So I'm going to show you just some of the stuff I have in one of them. Maybe you'll learn a thing or two, maybe you'll like something you see, maybe it'll help you stay safer. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on that ring notification. But now, let's get to the bag. So this is one of the rifle bags that I have. Well, we'll start with the front here. I just got some pouches here. This one just happens to have some magazines in it. Some of the metal mags, some of the Magpul mags. Obviously, Magpul makes great rifle magazines. So 3 of those in this first pouch. In this next one, I have sunglasses, spare sunglasses. I have SPYLUBE, very high-end gun oil. Definitely not for everybody, but if you want to see more about it and why it's abracadabra magic, go to spylube.com. I have some pliers in there, and put this stuff away. I have our Versa knife, which is more of a rescue knife in there. So that's what is in this pouch. Let's go to the next one here. Another magazine and just some loose, well, not loose, but not in a mag, some 223. And this one, actually took the rifle out of it, but this was the rifle that was in it. This is a rifle that I built, just various and sundry parts. I bought a few ARs from the gun shop, but most of it I've just bought a bunch of different parts and built it my own. So I would say back in the day, this cost a lot of money. It's probably a heck of a lot more expensive now, thanks to inflation. But this is, yeah, just one of the many ARs that I own. Gets the job done. I've got the Magpul sights, but they're down, but these are the flip-up sights. Good stuff. So I'll put this out of the way. I have our knock knife, and let me grab that. Our knock knife is a very high-end knife built for survival. NOCknife.com, carbon fiber handles, but very expensive knife for intelligence type of work. That's in there. There is smoke. So it's a smoke bomb, ring pull, smoke grenade for distractions, other things. I've got an Otis cleaning kit in there. I have some ballistol that kind of exploded, as you can see. It's been in there for a while. Chem lights, and these are the good quality chem lights, not the cheap junk that people give out on Halloween. I have some OC grenades. All you do is push down on that, make sure you run. If you're in a car and somebody's trying to carjack you, or a crowd or mob, you roll down your window, drop this right next to you, roll up your window, and that crowd will disperse. I promise you. These are available to buy to the public, or the public can buy them. So good old OC pepper spray grenade. I have a spare bolt carrier group. I got a flashlight in here. Got some 9mm ammo in here. And I got a med kit. Got things like tourniquets, chest seals, halo chest seals. I like the cat tourniquet. Should have a tourniquet with your kits type of stuff. And then a pouch that I can throw on. A little bit more ammo, and yeah, that's pretty much it. That's in this thing. So hopefully you saw something, maybe a thing or two that you like, that you want to add to your kit. This is not my main kit, meaning this is one of the kits that I've spread around. My main kit at house does have a few more things, but this gives you a good idea, stuff you should have. Again, I'm former CIA officer Jason Hanson. If you want to know more about gun stuff and more gear and the supplies I use, definitely check out below. I hope you have a wonderful rest of the day. And again, like, subscribe, turn on that ring notification bell, and I'm out of here to go shoot some guns.